welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Now, recently I've had lots of people message me and ask me if I would look into testing out more vegan, natural skincare makeup options. And I said I would, and it got put on the back burner, what with being pregnant and just being very sick recently. However, the fates have aligned, and I was contacted on Instagram recently by the Natural Beauty Box. You can see just here, I'll link them down below. And they messaged me and asked me if I would like to receive a box for free and do a YouTube video on it. And I had a look through their website and their Instagram, and it looked really nice, and it literally looks exactly like what you guys have been asking for. So I got the box. It came yesterday, but I was really sick yesterday, so I couldn't actually do it. Today I feel more human, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. I do have a discount code, and it's first box 10, which gets you 10% off, but that is only off your first box for a subscription, not a one-off box. They post worldwide. I'll leave all the shipping rates down below for you guys, and the website and Instagram. I'll leave all the details down below for you guys. But basically, the box content is always worth more than £50. Everything is natural, vegan and cruelty free. No harsh ingredients, no cheap filler ingredients. Natural ingredients that are better for your skin and the environment. UK shipping is free. Box is £24.95, but there are options to subscribe for 3 to 6 months, which can then give you discount on top of that. But yeah, I've not seen any spoilers. I've got no idea what is in this box. It popped up the other day with someone posting the same box that I've got here, and I was like, no, I don't want to see it, because I wanted to be surprised. Oh, I can't get in it. There's my scissors. Oh, I don't need my scissors, do I? I need my little dinosaur tooth. Oh, so satisfying. It's like straight through. Okay, so this is the box. I'm really sorry about the glare off my glasses, but I have got the most ridiculous headaches at the moment. I am trying everything to get rid of them, so I'm trying to wear my glasses more. So let's have a look. We've got so this, the February edit, is a revitalised edit, and this tells you what's in it, and it says the actual total value is £70.49. I'm not going to look and see what's in it until I actually open the box. So let's have a look. Trying to do it all nice and just ripping it. Oh, this is the box. There's some big stuff in here. They are huge. Okay, let's just grab the first thing. So the first thing I've got here is Unearthed Good On You Organic Skin Repair Oil for scarring, stretch marks and skin hydration. I'm well excited for that, because I don't want any more stretch marks from pregnancy. I got them with the girls, but not very many, just kind of on the sides of my belly. So I said this time I will be really religious in applying good skincare to my stomach to try and minimise stretch marks, because there's nothing wrong with stretch marks. I just don't want them on my belly. So this is, let's have a look. What does it say about this? Unearthed Good On You Skin Repair Oil. Certified organic multitasking oil with a fresh and fruity aroma. Smooths, softens, hydrates, improves elasticity, reduces the appearance of scars and stretch marks. £24.99. Let's have a little look at this baby. I love the packaging. It's really pretty. Oh, it looks really fancy pants. Contains advanced bioactive Inka-ishi. Oh, it's a glass bottle. It's like proper fancy pants. No, I want to... It's a little pump. Let's just... Oh, it's yellow. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I need to rub it on somewhere. I need to rub it on somewhere. I'm going to rub it on my arm for now. Oh, it smells lovely. And that is literally... That's just gone in. That's not greasy or anything. That's like that was made for me at the moment. That smells so good. Oh, that is awesome. that is going to become part of my daily routine to try and stop myself getting more stretch marks. Amazing. Okay, next up, I've got a little, what are you? The Earthworks Cosmetics Regenerating Night Treatment. Use once or twice a week before bed, gently massaging into the face, neck to recharge and revitalise the skin. And this is £6.50. I don't know if this size is £6.50. Massage into face after cleansing, used nightly. I think it's like a balm. Oh, it is. It's like a lip balm. I don't think it smells of anything. But it's just a little pot. And it says, what is it again? The Earthworks Cosmetics Regenerating Night Treatment. My skin at the moment is so freaking dry. It is unreal. I'm having to do like a moisturising sheet mask every day just because my skin is just like a crispy crepe. It's gross. So let's see what else we've got. Clean You Natural Organic Lip and Cheek Balm. Ooh! Where's this? Clean You Skincare Lip and Cheek Balm, multi-purpose balm with nourishing plant oils and butters to protect, moisturise, soften and revitalise your lips, cheeks. Tip, also great for softening cuticles, £10. Oh, I've just touched that balm, haven't I? Now I can't get this open. Bollocks. I can't get it open. Oh, shit farts. I can't get this one open. Literally can't open this. But I love the packaging, the little, it's really pretty. Clean You. Oh, bugger. No, I've got too much cream on my hands and oil. Like, my hands are really moisturised. I will keep trying, but I can't open that in a minute. Next up, we've got an Evolve Organic. Is this Evolve? Is that the brand? Beauty Nourishing Hair Elixir, formulated with 100% natural replacement to silicone to leave your hair soft, light and moisturised. Apply a few drops to mid to ends of lengths of wet or dry hair. Apply to ends to reduce frizz, £6. Oh, I definitely need this. My hair is just crispy at the minute. I'm getting it bleached again soon because my roots are just redonkulous. But this will be definitely appreciated by my hair, I'm sure. Let's see if it smells of anything. I don't know, I think it smells sweet. I want to say it smells a bit like candy floss, but I don't know, that might be my weird nose at the minute. So this is 100% natural, 40% organic. Apply 3 to 4 drops from mid to end of clean or wet or dry hair. Comb through gently. And this is made in England, and this was made by Daniela. It's got a little sticker on it and tells you when it was made. That is so cute. I love little bottles like this. I kind of like apothecary bottles. They are so cute. Okay, what have we got? Okay, we're down to the last item, which is another ginormous one. And it is a Bao. Is it Bao? B-A-O? Bao Skincare Reviving Hand and Body Cream. Zesty, light, quick absorbing, soothing and hydrating. Perfect for all skin types to revitalise tired, dull, dry, dehydrated skin. Use after the morning shower to energise, and this is £23. Can I get this open? Or am I being thick on this as well? Probably. Come on, Lucy. It is just a tub. You can open it. Come on. It says open that way. Literally can't undo it. I'm just going to take this lid off and have a little sniff. Oh, that smells lovely. I'm going to rub this on my other arm. Oh, that smells really nice. What do you smell of? Yeah, orange. It's got orange blossom, aloe, candula, mandarin orange peel, lemongrass. Oh, this is just full of all the good stuff. That smells so lovely. Oh, I'm going to smell so good every day. If I'm putting this on my belly and then this everywhere else, I'm going to smell amazing. So that was the box. There is a the Earthworks Cosmetics which was this little night cream. There is a discount code here where you can get 25% off with the code NATBOX25, which is valid for another month. I will link that down below for you guys as well. They've got a Facebook community, Natural Beauty UK. They've got Facebook and Twitter, which is at Natural Beauty Box. Instagram at nat_beauty_box. I'll link everything down below for you guys. Thank you so much to the Natural Beauty Box for sending me this. These things are literally made for me at the minute. I'm super excited to start using them. This one especially. And we'll see if it can stop the stretch marks or maybe fade the stretch marks that I've already got. But yeah, thank you so much for sending it to me. If you guys like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. I'll leave all the discount codes down below for you guys. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. This week is just unboxing mania. There are so many things I need to unbox this week. I've got like another 3 things here that I need to do, and I think there's another 3 things coming in the post. So keep your eyes peeled for all the good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.